Good morning, puppy fans. This is your host, Sean, with my guest, Larkin. Larkin's one of my best friends, but don't tell the cats. They're still not sure what to think of him. What on earth? You've all probably heard of automatic dog feeders. But what about when you're gone and your dog has to go potty? Well, today we're going to review an automatic dog pad. It's called BrilliantPad. BrilliantPad is designed for dogs under 25 pounds that currently use pads. BrilliantPad also works great when training puppies. Larkin's already trained, fortunately, but he definitely qualifies by weight. He's just a little guy. It's the world's first self-cleaning dog pad. You can set an automatic timer to replace the pad 1, 2, or 3 times a day, or you can advance the pad anytime at the touch of a button. Plus, it's biodegradable and the caps prevent leaks. Replacement rolls can be purchased on the website, and there's a discount when you subscribe. There are also some training tutorials available online, but here's some general guidance for you. Number 1, be patient. Number 2, reward your dog when they do good. And number 3, don't punish the dog if there is an accident. But seriously, who could ever punish this face? Adorable, right? Setup was quick and easy, and Larkin was receptive to the first step, which is getting your dog acclimated to a new object and then getting him up on it. It'll take a little time to go through the process of training your dog, but with a few treat reinforcements, I was able to get Larkin to step up on the pad on command with no problem. He's part Chihuahua, so I feel like he could very easily learn to use this, considering he knows how to ask to go out in the dead of winter and he hates doing it. So just follow the guidelines and keep your dog's unique personality in mind, and you should be good. So there you go, folks. We'll put links and more info in the description below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.